How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get into this video, going this video, big thumbs up. We're trying to get the video to 100 likes. Come on, man.
Hey, it's too easy. It's too easy.
So we're gonna start off with the Jordan updates and recaps. The updates was, the sneakers day. That was a very disappointing day. Comment down below. Did you cop any sneakers that was releasing? That was a big disappointment. I didn't. I was looking for sneakers to come out. I ain't gonna lie. Like I ain't even see any. I know them red Syracuse dunks came out, but I didn't see nothing drop. I was traveling to Virginia, so maybe that's might have been why I didn't see anything. But let us know in the comments, were you able to cop that thing on sneaker day, and was it a disappointment? I know for me, I'm giving that a thumbs down. Sneaker day, USA. Need a boy, Special K. He need to come through because Nike didn't do it.
No. Hey, Special K, trust and believe. He's sitting back in the cut, waiting to do something. Trust and believe. Hey, he always on something. Special K. Hey, get at us because it was a bad day. It was a bad for Nike. Yes, sir. But tapping into the recap, right? On September the 8th, we did have those Jordan 1s low EX. They did drop. Asking price was those for $140, which I thought was a reasonable price, but they are sitting sizes from 7.5 all the way up to size 15 are still available, right?
Yes, sir.
At coconut milk, right? So any sneakerheads still want to cop those? Hey, drop us a comment down below if you snatching those up. But those are still sitting on the shelf, sizes 7.5 all the way up to size 15. So
yes, sir.
Yeah, let us know. Drop us a comment below. What else you got for the recap?
So on September 9th, we did have those Jordan 4 red cement. I know for me, I'm not going to say this was an anticipated pair, but Jordan 4s are the most popular silhouette right now for Jordan. So I don't really think nobody really wanted these because it's crazy. Like I thought I went from putting all my raffles and I was traveling to Virginia. So there was some sneakers I couldn't even confirm. I lost a men's pair. I lost a grade school. And I'm thinking oh man, I ended up probably getting none. Then I was luckily able to confirm one and picked one up in Virginia, a grade school, which I already unboxed. I think it's back there, the rest of my sneakers. But then next thing you know, I'm getting emails left and right. And then sitting on my porch, bang, bang, bang. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I got too many shoes, heads. So I end up hitting 3 grade school and 1 men's pair. Man. So I don't know. Might have to do another giveaway. I don't know.
Hey, that's too easy. We all about getting back. We all about getting.
So we're not gonna sit here and open up all these pairs. So go ahead and pick one right here for the audience, my brother.
Hey,
A, B, C, or D.
Hey, when in doubt, Charlie out. So give me those 3s. Yes,
all right. Sir. See on the box says thank you.
Yes, sir. Hey,
go ahead and check them out.
Drum roll. Yes, sir.
I hope that y'all students tuning in, sneakerheads, but we've been blowing the budget left and right. I mean, sneakers are dropping almost every day. I can't keep up no more. But these are the Jordan 4 red cement. Does feature that regular classic Jordan Flight box.
Yeah.
Open it up. Bam. This is a size 6.5 grade school. There it is. This is a nice clean colorway, in my humble opinion. Now, if you've done your research, if you're a real sneakerhead, you would have let me know that these are, matter of fact, the reverse, which I haven't yet to hear any sneaker YouTubers say this, so I'm going to drop a little bit of knowledge. This is an inverse of the red Fire 4s that came out in 2020. And so, mark my words, thinking, go in and look that up. So what you're seeing right here is basically the same shoe, but wherever you see black at, is red. Wherever you see red at is black. And these were the Fire Red 4s that came out in 2020. Again, just like these, some people saying no, they didn't need them. They didn't want to cop them. But then 3 months later, these Fire Red 4s shot up. So the same with these. The men's pairs, they did sell out. The grade school sizes are still lingering around, so you still need those in grade school sizes. Go ahead and cop them up. I've seen some size 4s, some size 5s, a few 6.5s, some maybe 1.7. But you know, the leather on here is really nice tumble leather. I think this is a nice quality, especially for a GS pair. Again, we did have a men's pair. We'll probably unbox those a little bit later so you can do a comparison between the two. But for a GS pair, that's soft tumble leather right there. This is a very clean colorway. Hopefully you have kids from back to school or Christmas to make a nice gift, but go on and scoop them up now. Our resale is low on these things. Again, I just checked the fire red 4s. My size, keep in mind, this is 3-year-old shoe, the fire red 4s was speaking of. My size 10, going for $380 before taxes and shipping. So you're looking at maybe a $450, $430 shoe. So go in. These are the same things going to happen in these, and mark my words. Like history never fails. Jordan 4s are the #1 sneaker model right now. These are low resale. Still find them in stores. Go on and cop them up before that price hit the roof. 3 months, you're gonna be crying. This is gonna be a $300 shoe and over. Men's and grade school. All grade school go up to $350. All men's go up to $350. So I'm glad I was able to get some. I didn't mean to get this many. Sorry about that, sneakerheads. Hopefully you did go for the raffles. Hopefully you was able to hit. I know I did. I wasn't even really trying, but that tells me that a lot of people didn't go for these. So how about you, my brother? I know you're a Forest man. What you think about these?
Hey, those right there, hey, they get double thumbs up.
Yes, sir.
Double up, yeah. That's the real deal right there. Hey, that's a real clean shoe with it being a GS, you know, and I can see that doing quite well for Christmas. So that's more shoe, you know. But like you said, if you go wait till Christmas, hey, that price just go they go jack it up. Yeah. So
Yes,
if you're
sir.
able to right now, hey, you hear it from the sneakerhead bros. Go ahead and snatch them up ASAP, ASAP. Right? Hey, history repeats itself. Mark our words. That be the best shoe for the Jordan brand, the 4s. I can see it doing that, jumping up. But listen, if y'all like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.